Today, we're going to talk about black holes, all the interesting things that you could possibly know about black holes. Well, black holes are basically really powerful gravity. It's a gravitational field where no matter or radiation can escape, not even light. Nothing can. Light is made out of no matter, so you might be wondering how black holes take it in. Well, fun fact, black holes are not what you might think they are. Yeah, they're not that. They don't just suck things in from anywhere. You have to get really close to them, and that's exactly how light is pulled in. When light has to go straight, the black hole forces it to curve and eventually gets close enough to not be able to escape. You might think this is all fake because you probably think that black holes don't exist. Well, some proof that they do is in 1915, Einstein's theory predicted the existence of black holes. Without Einstein's theory, we would have never known about black holes. You also might want to know how do black holes appear. Black holes are made of stellar mass. So, when stellar black holes form, the center of a very massive star collapses. Sometimes it could cause a supernova, an exploding star that blasts part of the star into space and pushes away most of its mass. But not all stars become black holes though. There's three kinds of black holes. A stellar black hole, like I said before, supermassive black hole. It is obviously the largest black hole by the name. Also, almost all the massive galaxies contain a supermassive black hole, located at the center of the galaxy. Did you know it is over 10 to 40 billion times the mass of the sun? Finally, the miniature black hole is a really small black hole by the name. Not much to say here. Also, scientists are saying that it might not be the smallest black hole though, but these would have formed in different ways, so they won't form the exact same ways, all these three. If you're wondering, can black holes produce energy? If we are advanced enough, yes they can, but eventually you can't do that anymore. In almost infinite time, a black hole, yes, can die. Internet says that Stephen Hawking once said, throwing objects into black holes will convert it into energy, which is possible by E = mc squared. That is a math equation that explains, like I said, that black holes can die by losing energy and then it'll lose mass too. That will pretty much take infinite time though. A question that most people wonder is what happens when you go into a black hole. Your feet feel a stronger gravitational pull than your head because you're closer to the black hole. As a result, your body is stretched apart. That is called the noodle effect, or it is referred to as spaghettification. It does that because the black hole has to make room for you. As you are kind of forced to move straight, you get to the point where you can't escape, not even light, which is called the event horizon, like I talked about at the beginning. But now, the question is what happens once you're actually inside, which leads me to, finally, can black holes cause time travel? Well, scientists thought that it was impossible to time travel, but maybe at the center there could be a hole that rips space-time and leads to a different universe or time. But everyone has a certain direction that we go through in time that is called the world line. If you are able to survive the trip into a black hole, you might be traveling through time because the amount of gravity could bend the world line and affect your experience in time. And you might end up in the past or maybe the future. Other people see you differently if you just came out of nowhere in their timeline. Well, there you go. Does that answer all your questions about black holes? Well, see you next time.